keep stopping. You like this song, huh? Yeah? You like this song? Mama does too. He is just dancing up a storm. And then looks at me all innocent. How cute. Like he tilts his head down and looks up. That's just precious, Bradley. You're so silly. Yeah. Bradley. Daddy's on the phone. Can you say hi, Dada? Bradley. He's watching the chat. Bradley. Wow, I don't exist, I guess. Daddy says hi. Can you say hi, Dada? Bradley. Zeus, you better get out of there. That's right. Everybody can hear that one. Zeus got in trouble. Bradley dropped his mouth. Zeus got in trouble, huh? Bradley. Well, I don't know what kind of commotion's going on in there, but... Bradley. Hi. It sounds like Athena's in there dancing. Holy moly. Let's see what's going on in here. What are you doing, Crazy Pat? What are you doing, Athena? Can you say hi, everybody? Good girl. That's a good girl. Say hi, everybody. Good girl. Say hi. Good girl. That's a good girl. Can you say hi, Bradley? Can you say hi, Bradley? That's a good girl. Yeah. Say hi, Bradley. Good girl. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Yeah. Are you a good girl? Good girl that got in trouble today. What do you think of that, Bradley? Them silly puppies. He's still going cuckoo.